But if you just look at statistically, so I said, I sort of think, I don't know if it's right, but 0.1% for a race car driver. You know, it's a pretty dangerous business, right?
Yeah.
0.1% for a bull rider. I tell you, to me,
You're talking death?
These guys that ride the bulls is worse than UFC. It's worse.
Yeah.
These guys, you see these big monster bulls, and you see it in slow motion where the foot is like, you know, an inch away from the head. If it hits him, the guy's gone. But they die. You know, they die.
So 0.1% die. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, 0.1% die.
Right.
And they certainly get hurt badly. Really, I mean, they can't walk after a certain period of time.